by, okay? Okay.
點解你同我講埋呢啲
Wait,
嘢啊？
sir, you'll fucking love it. Man, way fucking look me up when you get out. You'll just be like, oh.
Against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man. That is exactly what we want.
Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the trials for what happened to his family. It could turn...
Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Man, this is going to be great.
And Paul, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new